She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above.
Okay, so before I even start washing my hair, I make me a hot oil treatment. In this case, I'm using like 5 kinds of Jamaican black castor oil, and I just stir it up, and after that I just stick it in the microwave for about 6 minutes. After I heated it up, I found out that it was way too hot for my hair, so while this in the microwave, I take my braids out from my wig that I had on. Okay, so I'm pretty much done putting the oil in my hair, and now what I do is I put a plastic bag on it to seal in the heat, and I tie it up with the ponytail holder and I let it sit for about an hour. So after that hour is up, I'm using this biotin and collagen shampoo by OGX, and I'm washing my hair and I'm making sure to get all of the oil residue out of my hair. I don't really have like a special way to wash my hair, especially if I wash it in the sink. So, you know, I just take it, put it in my hand, rub it in my hand, then make sure I lather it up in my hair. And when I do this, I make sure to wash my hair at least 2 times, because one time I get it out of my hair, and then the second time I make sure to kind of like focus on my edges a little bit, so I get all the oil out of my edges. You see I'm using this little spray thing. So yeah, that's pretty much how I wash my hair. Like I said, there isn't really a special way. So now I'm using the same biotin and collagen conditioner to deep condition. I really leave it on for like 5 minutes, and I put it up in a ponytail while I go do other stuff. And now onto blow drying. So after I've deep conditioned and washed the conditioner out of my hair, I use the chase method when I blow dry my hair. If you don't know what the chase method is, basically you take the blow dryer and you blow dry the hair first, like you stretch it, and then you basically like chase, you see what I'm doing, like you chase the blow dryer with the brush, you chase the brush with the blow dryer. So yeah, that's basically what I do to wash my hair. And after that, I style it. In this case, I did a slick ponytail, so I'm gonna link that down below for y'all because I did do a tutorial on it. You have come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. In this case, it's gonna be my slick ponytail tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.